Hello everyone, this is Alberto from thebrainnetworks.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a Trustifi plugin to Office 365 as well as Gmail. So, in order to do that, we're going to want to go to the Welcome to Trustifi email that you should have gotten after you set up your Trustifi account. Then you're going to go down here and hit download. We're going to go to get it now, and then it's going to ask for some additional information, but we're going to go ahead and give it permission since we already filled that out. And because I have it installed, it's going to say that it failed. There it is. But then you can go ahead and add it to your Outlook web browser, or you can go back to your application and then go to File. Well, actually not File. You're going to want to go to Home, and then it should be there on the far right. And then the next thing you're going to want to do to download for Gmail is go here to Download. It's going to bring you to this, and then you're just going to add it to your Chrome extension. And then since I already have it, it's going to say remove. But we're going to go down here, we're going to pin it. And if we click on that, it's going to open up Gmail, and it's going to want us to log into our Trustifi account. And then from there, you can go ahead and start sending secure emails. Well, I hope that was helpful, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Thank you.